everybody, welcome to Roladel Business. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the virtual dollar card step-by-step tutorial with best credit cards 2023. Do you want to get more updates about free credit cards? Then go ahead and subscribe to Roladel Business because we have more available to share with you after this one. In this video, I'll be using an app called Payday, and you can locate the website by going to usepayday.com. It's available on both Android and iOS. Once you download the app, you open it and click on join, and it will ask for your first and your last name. You type in your first name and your last name as you can see here and click on continue. Then it asks for your email address, password and referral code. I'll put my referral code in the description of this video so you make use of it. Then you set a pin to the email address, find that pin, put it here and click on continue. Now you have to choose a pay tag. A pay tag is just like your username. This can be used if somebody wants to send you money from a Payday account to your own Payday. You can say this is my username. So I'm just going to choose this as my pay tag and click on continue to proceed. After everything, you can go ahead to why we are here. This is where this is the home page right here showing 0 naira because I have not put in any money yet, and the first thing I should do is verify my account. So I click on the verified account, I choose my country of residence, which is Nigeria, and then I allow Payday to take pictures because I'm going to take a selfie, and once I do that, I'm redirected to where I have to verify my account. So I'll click to verify my account, and they're going to ask me to put in some details, which I'm going to repose again, and after that, it's going to take some time, not too long. In fact, this entire video is not going to take more than or up to 10 minutes. It's very easy. So now they're saying it should be in a light environment with proper light because you're going to take a picture, and make sure you're ready to take the picture. Make sure there is light in your environment and make sure that everything is smooth as well. So start verification now by clicking on your country and then select what you want to use to verify yourself. There are 4 options available here: BVN, driver's license, national identity number and voter's card. Now if you choose your BVN, you'll be asked to put in your bank verification number, and then you click proceed, or you can try any of the other options available here. For example, you can decide to try a driver's license, voter's card, and any other option you feel like. Everything you are choosing or you're putting in here is 100% safe, so don't worry about that. Now you just be asked to take a picture of your card, or if you already have a picture, you decide to upload it from your gallery, which is driver's license. It's the same thing, but I honestly prefer that you choose BVN because it's simpler and easy to go. So just put in your bank verification number. Nobody can get access to your account with just your bank verification number, so you're 100% safe. Then you click on proceed, and then you're good to go. After that, you are going to be taken here. So during the process of this video, I found my account with 2,000 naira. What I did was I requested for a naira account, and then I created an account and I found it. Then I need a dollar card, and they said that I have to fund my account with at least $5, and I realized that 2,000 naira is not enough. So now I have to go back to my account. Now go back to your account and click on the top up option right now, and you'll see that plus button, that's top up. I'm going to click on top up, and if you check below there, you will see that it creates new accounts. That is where I created the account from. So when I click on create a new account, you choose the currency that you want with that, dollar, naira or pounds, and they will give you an account. We have got an account. You can go to the account, and I'm in the naira account now, and I can click on this top up button that is there. Once I click on it, they show me my account details. This is the account number, the bank and the account name. Now I can copy this account. Nobody can see the copy icon here. Once I click on the copy icon, it's copied, and I can go to my usual bank and send money here. I just did that now, and I transferred 3,000 naira to make my total balance 5,000 naira. I hope you get it now. So now this is just my naira account. I want to move it to my dollar account now, which is very simple. So what I'm going to do is to click on swap. If you can see the swap button, it's just up there beside top up swap. It means I want to swap it from naira to dollar. So I'm going to click on swap, and they're going to show me how it's going to be possible. Now this is it. They asked me how much naira I wanted to pay. I said I want to pay 5,000 naira, and I will get 6.59 USD. So that's their conversation. So if I agree with it, what I have to do is to click on continue, and we get started. So I click on continue, and then they are going to swap the money in my naira account to dollar. This is important because you cannot find a dollar card, or you cannot create a dollar card with naira. You have to move the naira to dollars first. So I just did that now, and I'm going to click on confirm. They are charging 25, and there I would say about 0.5%, which is actually one of the cheapest charges that you ever see on the internet. And in the less than 2 seconds, it was done. This amount is $6 has been added to my dollar account. So all I have to do now is swap. Swap was switched to my dollar account, and I can see my balance. Now my naira balance is now 0, while my dollar balance is $6 plus. I hope you can see that clearly. So now this is not the end. I want to create free credit card number, month, year, CVC online, because that's the main reason why we are here. But before I continue, hit the like button and subscribe to Roladel Business if you haven't done so. Let's continue. So I'm going to click on cards below there, and I'm going to click on dollar card. Then they are asking me to form my account with my card with at least $5, which is a good thing because I have $6 already. So I'm just going to select the amount. I have $6.60, and I'm going to click on the credit card. So when I click on the credit card, immediately they will tell me that $6 has been funded to my card. I know some platform that will charge you for creating a card, but this one is 100% free of charge. Now look at my card. Details are here: the name, the card number, the zip code, the CVC, everything is here, and I can copy them with one touch. Now I'm going to use this card right now to go ahead and pay for Canva or something I want to. So previously I tried to pay for cover with my card, but it wasn't going to. And decided that my payment was declined. Now I'm going to open Canva right now and pay again with this card and see if it goes through. So you can see I have to try because they said they were unable to process my last payment. That's because, like I said in the previous video, Naira cards have been banned from international transaction. But as you can see, it has been confirmed, and they have sent me an email confirming my payment. So I showed these 3 messages to show you that previously they could not debit my card from Canva Pro subscription. So I'm using this my card on Canva Pro because as a result of this restriction, Canva was unable to debit my card. So they kept sending me emails that I should update my payment method and bring a more valid one. So I had to get this paid for with the dollar card, and I use it. You can see that the most recent email they sent to me is an invoice saying that my payment has been confirmed. So you can see that this card works well. Now guys, this is how you can get a better dollar card in 10 minutes with your smartphone in any part of the world. I used it to make payments. So my own issue was to cover yours. Could be Google ads, YouTube ads, AliExpress, Canva, whatever it is you wanted to pay for Facebook ads. That's your Naira card was no longer being accepted, or it was being declined for international payment. You can use this card. Just follow the steps in the video, watch it again so you don't miss out anything. All you have to do is download the app. The referral code is also in the description for you to use. Once you download the app, request for a Naira account. Once you request for an account, fold your account, and then swap the money to your dollar account, and then move the money to your dollar card. It looks complicated, but it's actually very simple. As you can see in this video, it didn't take me more than 8 minutes to finish everything. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.